Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I wanted to tell you, start planning your trip in July right now, because starting in July, we've got a lot of things going on. We actually have the Madonna Festival in Scalea, which starts on the 15th of July. It is the biggest religious festival in the whole entire area of the entire year. Everything turns into a party. Scalea turns into a giant festival party, and it's so much fun. And then they have, of course, the procession coming out of the church in the historic center. If you've never been to one of these, it really is spectacular, and you really do want to catch it and film it and show all your friends and everything else. That is the Madonna Festival in Scalea, and that's generally the 15th and 16th of July. So of course we're going to be there, and we're going to be very excited and filming it and everything else. Now the 18th of July, we're putting on a very special concert in Casa Cristina on the terrace. It is going to be a night under the stars with our friend, master classical guitarist Nicholas Mazza, and he plays some of the most beautiful music you've ever heard. Last year we had him do a concert in the church that we hosted, and it was just, honestly, it was the most beautiful thing I've ever experienced, you know, in those surroundings, and with him playing, it just was lovely. So you want to catch that for sure. And if you are a guest of Casa Cristina, you don't have to buy tickets, you just show up because you're already invited. Now, also, I will have to tell you that I have some very special visitors coming at that time. So we're setting up a cooking class with celebrity chef Vincenzo Grisalia, which is just like the one that you've seen already on the channel. If you haven't seen it, go look at it, because it was so much fun and we learned so much and we ate so well. And of course, you're going to want to meet our celebrity chef Vincenzo. He's really fabulous. And in addition, I'm going to book us a boat tour so that we can all go out. We go along the sea here in the Riviera di Cedri, and you get a tour of all the little grottas and everything else. They all have funny names, you know, grota, the lamb grota, there's a lamb head. I never saw the lamb head. Okay, this is the lion grota. There's a lion head. I never saw a lion head either. And I was just going, well, am I not drinking enough Prosecco? I don't see these things. But it is spectacularly beautiful. And we also have a little blue grotto, just like in Capri. Very beautiful. The fish there, lovely. It's just a lovely time. So I'll be working on booking those. And if you want to buy tickets for the boat tour and the cooking class, I will make sure you have a reservation. Now, right after the Madonna Festival in Scalea comes the San Giuseppe Festival in Santa Domenica. And that is a beautiful festival as well. It is usually a week of concerts and beautiful music and things like that, all kinds of events. And then you have the procession, which is really fun and really cool. Now, if you're up there during that period, let's say from the period around the 14th, 15th of July for a week or whatever, you're going to meet some special people. Of course, you'll probably meet the mayor. You're going to meet Antonello. You're going to meet Nuncia and Stefano. They'll be at the concert because they've been invited. And you're going to just really get to know the area and really have a lot of fun. July is really the most fun time to be here because of all the events that are going on. And these are things that are truly, truly one-of-a-kind experiences that you don't want to miss. So in order to book right now, you have to send us an email. The booking site is almost done, but Pete can send you pictures of the rooms and everything else in Casa Cristina so you know what you're getting, and we'll reserve your spot for you. So definitely send us an email at info@supersavvytravelers.com, and we will look for you in July.